I'm Dr. Marsha Tufft, and today I want to talk to you about a really cool design process called rapid prototyping. Sounds like a lot of words, right? Really tough? Super simple. The basic idea about rapid prototyping is to define your problem, your product objectives, what your success criteria are, what you want it to be able to do, and then quickly come up with a prototype, a minimum viable product, or MVP. Get feedback on that MVP, refine your concept until you get a really good working prototype. And then get it out there, get it broader feedback. Again, testing your concept, refining your idea without spending a lot of money. When you're confident, then you can go big. Okay, so let's talk sit-upon. If you've ever been camping, gone for a hike, you know that times that you want to sit down on the ground, it's nice to have something that will protect your butt from getting wet and maybe provide a little bit of cushion. I remember making a sit-upon from when I was a Girl Scout, and it had a braided newspaper or woven newspaper padding surrounded by a heavy oilskin canvas, and there wasn't even any sewing. It was hole punched, and there was some cord that went through and it tied around your waist. So they were about yay big and kind of heavy. Newspaper is not light. But now, hey, we've got modern materials to work with. So can we redefine our sit-upon concept? Let's take a look. Now, this is the exact experiment I use in my first book, Putney and the Magic iPad, where the kids are going to go sketching in the field because their school is within walking distance of the ocean. So they're going to be sketching from nature. So my character, Putney, also had an additional objective that her sit-upon maybe could carry her sketchbook, pencil, and eraser. So this sketchbook, the pages are about 8.5 by 11, but with the spiral binding there, it's more like 9 by 11. So you want a little margin around that, maybe 12 inches wide by, 12 inches or longer is a good starting point. But what do you want in a sit-upon? Well, water resistant and some padding. I mean, they're used to having some padding. So let's do a pop or plop test with bubble wrap and see if this might work. If it does, it'll be so much lighter than newspaper.